Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a checkbox background color or edit checkbox fill color using Foxit PDF Editor. This is checkboxes and I'll edit the checkbox background color. Now select this select option and down and select annotation and drag your mouse cursor select the checkboxes. Now click right button and select properties dialog box and go appearance option already selected and this fill color select as this. Two of this color now change at a time. Also you can change one by one and go other color option here you can select custom color and see this. Also I'll add this checkbox fill color, this checkbox also and see this. In this way you can change all of your checkboxes fill color and finally select this file option save or save as and fill our PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.